and gentlemen, about to work on that front bumper.
Bumper schmumper.
Schmumper to dumper.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. This is our white TJ. This is episode 13 in the series. We are installing an Aries front bumper, which is going to be a cool platform for us to put many other mods. Don't want to reveal too many right now, but we are going to show you how easy it is to install a front bumper, and we're going to show you why we chose the Aries front bumper, because we have loved this company's products in the past, and we are so excited to show you the stubby aspect and all of the areas to mount different things on. Now, if you're new to our channel, Aline is a professor. She drives a JK, and I am a stay-at-home professor in training.
Alrighty, if you haven't tuned into episodes 1 through 12, we have fully transformed this TJ from a hot mess to
Hot Mess Express.
Exactly. And I'm so excited to get our hands on this front bumper. Without further ado, I guess we're unboxing.
And if you haven't done so, make sure you subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow. Even if you don't like us, just hit that button. You know, what do you have to lose? Even if you think we're annoying and, you know, we don't really get the job done.
I don't think we're annoying. I think
Mickey
we're
Mouse
really
job, all of that. So this bumper comes with 2 packages, and the reason is there is this bad boy.
It's pretty bad.
In one of them. Look at that thing.
Wow.
That's actually crazy. All right, now we open the second package. The nice thing about doing this job is the only special tool that you're gonna need to get the job done is a T55 head. T55s are not common. There's actually only 6 of those holding in the front bumper, and then there's 2 10mm bolts holding in that front aerodynamic shield.
So this should be a pretty smooth and easy install, which is the experience we've had in the past with Aries anyway, so no surprise there.
No surprise there. I mean, take a look at that. What is your first impression?
That looks amazing.
Amazing. Also, who else is excited for us to work on that LJ? We already have parts for that LJ in our garage, but we haven't had the chance to work on it just yet. All right, let's get this out of here. Now, when we thought about bumper for this Jeep, we wanted to go with a stubby front bumper. And that we did.
Imagine the table fall.
Imagine. So there's your bumper. There is the upper bar mount and all of your hardware. Why don't we go ahead and organize everything now? So essentially, after we installed those flat fenders, look at how ugly that front bumper looks. So I just want to comment, look at these instructions. It is laminated sheets of paper.
That's not laminated.
It is. It's not regular, it's photo paper. So look at these instructions. I mean, this is like photo quality paper here. It's not like the skimpy. Even if this got wet, it will still read perfectly because it looks like it's waterproof. These are all color imaging, as well as amazing, easy to follow step-by-step instructions. Now, lucky for you, you're not gonna need these instructions because
you have us.
You have us. So, why don't we get started?
This is the hardware we're gonna be using. Not many. This should be pretty quick and easy.
So using a Torx 55, you're gonna go ahead and remove these 6 bolts. You got 2, 2, 1, and 1. Honestly, air tools, if you guys don't have them, please, please, if you've learned anything from this one, go ahead and get them. The fine people over at Jeep thought it would be a good, cute idea to use Torx heads, especially 55 size. I think they're absolutely ludicrous for doing so. I mean, Luda! Where's 50 Cent? Aline, why don't you do the honors?
Alright, send it. Send it! Just kidding, guys. That's an expensive camera. I don't want to damage it.
And then we take off our dust shield. We got 2 more bolts. Would you look at that?
And that's the Aries front bumper. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Come back next time. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. And in case you're wondering, that is what it looks like underneath the nasty stock front bumper. Aline's happy because Aries products are always so great.
Love them.
Love them. Couldn't get enough of them.
Ever.
Have a gun?
All right, come on, let's check in the instructions.
Check in our instructions. So these heavy duty washers are for a winch. We're gonna set those aside as today, unfortunately,
You will not be seeing that.
you do not see that kind of content. But what we have here, we're gonna go ahead and get the lock washer and regular washer, all 6 of these. So let's just do that. And make sure you do it in that order, because if you don't, and you happen to post YouTube videos for, you know, a hobby, people are gonna go ahead and comment and say your thing's gonna fall apart because you put everything in the wrong direction. Because God forbid you put the washer on first. So let's just like that. So the cool thing about this bumper is you could buy it with or without this bar. If you choose to get this bar, it goes and bolts into place just like so. In fact, the bolts actually come pre-installed, so we can go ahead and remove that using just the standard Allen head. One might ask, hey Greg, what size Allen head is that? And if that's the question, then the answer is you got to use a size 5. Ladies and gentlemen, a size 5. In a similar fashion, once you've removed all 8 of those size 5 bolts, you're gonna go ahead and grab your lock washers and your flat washers and put them in that order and get them ready for reinstallation.
What language is that, Greg?
That is a mix of English and Cantonese.
Okay. Now we're just gonna hand thread all the bolts. I'm under here getting the ones from underneath, and then we'll tighten.
I already did these top 4. You just kind of put them in. Aline's about to do the bottom one. By far my favorite part, use the air tool, get all 6 of these back into place. I understand I'm using chrome tips, but I have it on a lower setting. So hopefully it doesn't explode on me, and it hasn't yet. Hey all, what are you doing?
We got a little dust on it because our hands are dirty. I'm gonna polish it off to show you the full effect.
Just to show you, look at how far that sticks out. Look at that. That is so pretty. Looks perfect with those fenders. What do you think?
It looks insane.
Aline making those TikToks, those Instagram reels. Look at this.
Look at that, that's sick.
All right, let's close it out and tell people what we're doing next week, guys.
Well, there you have it, you guys. All of 20 minutes to make your whole front end way more classy.
Way more classy. Are we gonna do the stand test again?
Okay. Alrighty then. Well, you guys, you saw it here. That was so easy to install, came with great instructions, and was all of 8 bolts.
All of 8 bolts. That is fully supporting my weight. That is nuts.
Thank you for watching this episode. We cannot wait to continue the series for you all. On next week's episode, we are
gonna put in a winch. Once we put in that winch, you're gonna see us, we'll drill some holes, we'll add some other accessories, so make sure you stay tuned for the ride. We have a bunch more mods planned, including a lift, tires, you know, switch panels, that kind of thing. We got a lot more things to go. In fact, on this one, we're gonna do something kind of unique. We're gonna make some ambient lighting for the inside of the vehicle so that at nighttime, it's gonna light up a certain color and look nice and mellow, just like those fancy new cars.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Check us out on TikTok and Instagram, and we'll catch you on the next one, you guys. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Enjoy the sun.
Enjoy the Sunday.
Sun.
Sunday. Ice cream Sunday.
We're hungry, huh?